Hello guys, so in this video I want to discuss, is it worth it to switch your current trading strategy to these new smart money concepts and inner circle trader strategies that have gained huge popularity in the last couple of months and that I see many traders now trading. So they are now switching their old strategy for these new types of looking at order blocks, looking at where the retail traders keep their stops and such concepts. So many traders believe that these new smart money concepts are the holy grail of trading strategies, with a huge win rate, with a huge risk to reward, and that they're just the perfect holy grail strategy. So they are now switching to these new strategies in order to make that huge percentage and to have a minimum amount of losses. And I would say that that is very unrealistic and it is actually impossible. So the holy grail of strategies doesn't exist, and it just is unrealistic to believe that it can exist. Otherwise everyone would be a millionaire. Every strategy will have losses and every strategy will have a string of losses, so it's important to know that and to expect it. I would actually say that most of these strategies are profitable. You can make money with them and you can make really good money with them, but most of them make around the same percentage per year. So a realistic expectation would be to make around 200 to maybe 300% per year. That is what the top traders are making, traders with 10 to 15 years of experience, and that is what most of these strategies can make. And it all depends on how prepared you are and how good you are at reading price action and reading patterns. So I would say the holy grail just doesn't exist. The realistic numbers are 200 to 300% per year, and most of these strategies actually make the same amount of percentage. So should you actually switch your current strategy to these new smart money concepts? And I would say definitely don't do it. If you have already invested maybe a few months, a year and a half into your current education, and you are just starting to become consistent but have maybe taken a string of losses and are thinking about switching, I would say don't do it, because you will need to start over with the whole new education, and the last year and a half that you have already invested will be gone. And you will have a conflict where the new strategy may be giving you a signal while the old one is telling you to stay out of the market, so you will never be able to take any sort of good trades. I would say just stick to your current education, stick to your current strategy. The holy grail doesn't exist. Finish your education, and that is the only way to become consistent. I would say invest maybe 2 to 3 years in one strategy, and it takes around, I would say, 5 years to actually fully master one strategy, and then maybe you can explore some other options. But in the beginning, if you want to become consistent and if you want to be profitable, pick one strategy, whichever one you like. They're all profitable, and stick to it. Don't switch. When a string of losses comes, you need to be patient, you need to stick through it. You need to just know when to avoid trades, when to take trades, and bad months will always be there. Strings of losses will always be there. It's just a part of the game. The only time I would actually advise switching strategies is if the current strategy time frame doesn't fit your trading style. So if you're currently, let's say, trading the 1 hour chart, looking at the charts every 1 hour and trading through the whole day, and you would like to trade only one session, you would like to trade maybe the 5 to the 15 minute chart and just being at your computer for, let's say, 4 hours per day, then I would advise, yes, switch strategies, because you need to be in tune with your trading style. If you like trading the lower time frames, then I would say pick a strategy that is actually trading on the lower time frames. And in conclusion, for any new traders out there, I would say my best advice is to spend 1 to 2 months looking at all of your options. So maybe guerrilla trading, maybe phantom trading, maybe SMC or inner circle trader, and then pick one which suits you and stick to it for at least 2 to 3 years. Really master that one strategy. Then you will become profitable, you will become consistent. That is the only way. There is no holy grail. It doesn't exist. All of these strategies have losses, and all of them have actually strings of losses. That is just to be expected. It's part of the game, and you need to be realistic about your expectations. So don't get caught up in these marketing tricks, and don't get caught up in trying to switch strategies and trying to start over. don't get into that cycle of doom or of always finding the perfect strategy, because you will never become successful with that sort of thinking. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you took some value out of it. If you want to see daily forecasts, check out my YouTube channel. If you want to see daily evening forecasts, check out my Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.